Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about how to add more games to your SNES Classic. Step 1. Connect your SNES Classic to your PC via a USB cable. Make sure the console is turned off and leave the HDMI cable plugged into your TV if possible so you can track your progress. Step 2. Get the latest version of SHAIKH 2 from GitHub. Download the zip file and extract its contents to your computer. Step 3. Open hexg.exe if prompted to download additional files and restart your device. Open hexg.exe again after restarting. Step 4. Select SNES. Step 5. Select Add more games and choose the ROMs you wish to add to your SNES Classic. You can upload SMC files or zip folders containing them as Step 6. Under the custom games list, select the games you uploaded to add box art. Select Google to get images directly from Google. Step 7. In the HG2 window, select kernel install, repair, then choose yes when asked if you want to flash the custom kernel. Step 8. Follow the on-screen instruction. You'll be prompted to install the necessary drivers if they were not installed automatically. Step 9. Once finished, synchronize selected games with any SNES Mini. You'll be asked to confirm you have already flashed the custom kernel. Step 10. After the game files finish uploading, turn off the SNES Classic, then disconnect it from your computer. Step 11. Plug the SNES Classic power source back in the Turn on your console. The new game should appear in a folder titled New Game on the list alongside the preloaded titles. Step 12. To upload more games in the future, reconnect the console to your PC and select Synchronize selected games with the SNES Mini. You don't have to flash the custom kernels every time. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe the channel for more videos and guides like this. Thank you so much.